Salah, how are you? Good to see you. Good to see you. Hold on. Just quickly,
the north, from all over. They came, PDP inclusive. They came to come. The president. We only have one president, and we came to join him in this Salah period to pray for and we prayed for the country whilst we're in there as well.
The United Nations Assembly still has 2 years to execute this mandate. What will Nigerians expect this last lap?
What they've been getting: good governance, good laws, a committed National Assembly, joint task between all the parties in the House of Representatives, rancor-free, smooth, whatever, working with the executive for the good of the people out there, working hard, security summit, PIB, electoral law, several things that inure to the benefit of the Nigerian people. The constitutional amendment is underway. So in terms of what Nigeria should expect, they should expect that the National Assembly will continue to work assiduously towards the unity, the progress, and the peace of Nigeria.
This delegation does cut across party lines.
Does what cut across party lines?
Yes.
Yes. We've always worked as one body. The party lines have been blurred by the Ninth National Assembly, and we'll continue to do that as long as it's in the national interest. That is our mantra. That is what we put forward. That is what underlies everything we do, national interest.
You said the constitutional amendment is underway. What do you hope to see at the end of the day?
Well, let's hold our horses and wait till the outcome of the. But you'll see some changes, major changes. It's going to be a constitutional amendment like never before. I've kept saying we're not going to just be tinkering around the edges. We're just going to make fundamental changes that will be good for the north, the south, the west, the east, and the whole of Nigeria.
You talked about the electoral law. Are we expecting an electoral law that all Nigerians will be able to identify
Absolutely, unless they don't want to. Absolutely. All Nigerians will be able to identify with this particular electoral amendment.
Is the next level agenda on course?
What is the next level agenda?
Of this administration?
Is it on course? Absolutely. Absolutely. We came on the mantra of security, anti-corruption, and economy. And if you want to be objective, we are not where we were. The security is still very, 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 very terrible. But a lot of the Boko Haram is decimated. The leaders have been killed. Those who foment trouble have been arrested. So I think we're on course. We're on course. It's difficult. Don't get me wrong. We met some difficulties on ground, and we're working and building slowly but surely. That's what we're doing.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah. Thank you.